Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today, just a super quick video here. I've been doing a ton of work in the yard. As you've probably seen a few of the other videos, the grass has just been going nuts. I haven't had time to mow it down, so it's been out of control. I mean, it's been worse than even in that corner over there. And you know, this is what I'm working with here: scissors and you know, hand powered push mower. So I like working with these. It's nice and quiet, very environmentally friendly. You get a good workout at the same time, but it does take a little while. But it gives me a chance to really enjoy the garden, and that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. You know, when I get tired a little bit, I just want to take a break. I just go right over to the raspberry patch. I just stuff myself full of raspberries. I go to the mulberry tree. There's still a bunch of mulberries on there. I'm still eating from that, like, constantly. I enjoy just looking at the garden, listening to the birds chirping. I mean, it's just like a real pleasure. I'm really enjoying it. And today, I mean, this was just so overgrown right now. The raspberries have been invading the whole yard. So I went to town and cleared out some of these. You know, at first I was like, oh, you know, I'm not going to cut down any raspberries because I want to transplant them. But, like, I don't even know how well they would do, like, right now in the heat of the summer getting transplanted. And there's going to be so many that I need to transplant anyway. Like, later on in the fall, I'll have plenty of plants to transplant. And I still have ones from up here by the compost pile that I want to transplant. So I just figured, you know what, I'm going to straighten up the strawberries and get that done today. And this is the main strawberry patch that you guys have seen. So what I did was I kind of cleared everything out, and I put in a good, you know, like, I don't know, maybe 4 inches of mulch, maybe a little more. Hopefully that'll keep the weeds down and the grass down from between, because I was constantly having to come in here and, like, you know, cut it back and, like, weed among the strawberries. And they hadn't even really been producing that well, because I think they just weren't getting enough water, and I don't have time to come out and, like, water everything every day. So, you know, I'm going to water this really well now, and that'll be it. It won't get any more water from me, just, you know, from the sky. I do have rainwater still saved up, so I'll just water this really heavily. I'm going to do the other 2 strawberry plants that are over there. I got to clean all that out. I mean, this is what, you know, the first patch looked like. So you can see my strawberry plants. They're right here, here and here. But, you know, this is not going to get you a lot of strawberries. So, you know, I'm going to clean this out, mulch it as well, and have it looking like this, hopefully in the next, you know, day or two when I get around to this other section of the yard. The other thing I did was I just went into here and I cleared out a bunch of stinging nettle that was still left among the raspberries. So you can see kind of my arm is like a little bit all messed up from that, but I don't know, still, you know, well worth the effort, and I don't mind a little bit of a sting. And now I can get in and get more raspberries that I couldn't reach before, kind of in there. You can just see that there's just so many still left. I mean, I'm eating like multiple handfuls of raspberries every day. We just made some, you know, raspberry banana ice cream for the kids. I mean, it's just awesome to be able to come out here, know that it's, you know, organic, and I don't have to, I don't even wash them. I pick them, I throw them into the blender with the frozen bananas, and boom, ice cream it is. So yeah, it's just so great. You know, my daughter was out here, she's picking them and just eating them right off the, you know, the stalks, and it's just like, you can't beat that feeling. Yeah, just seeing everything grow and you know, develop. My little pomegranate is still alive. I had to clear out some of the stuff around here because it was just not getting enough sun, and I kind of felt bad for it, so I just cleared out some stuff around it, even though, you know, I don't really want to be cutting out raspberries, but hey. Oh, here's some more stinging nettle. Let's get the guy out of here. Anyway, so yeah, it's still got a lot of new growth on it. It's definitely growing. I have one growing in a pot that is just huge. It's probably like, I don't know, 2-3 feet tall now. Maybe not 3, but yeah, 2 feet tall for sure. And it's just doing great. So, you know, I still have high hopes for this little guy, but you know, if not, then, you know, I do have contingency for next year or maybe the year after, depending on how well these do in the pots, and depending on how well this guy does in the ground, if it can survive the winter. So yeah, you know, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be wrapping up for the day because the sun's going down now. Got a nice sunset here, view of the mountains. I don't know how well you can see that. Let's see if it'll focus. Well, anyway, I think the clouds are nice. And yeah, just kind of finishing up. Apple tree is doing really well over here. Still got to clean up all that stuff and get that blueberry planted. Lots of work still left to do. Corn back here is starting to put out those little, I don't know what they call those little tendrils that come out. I think this is going to be the stuff that like the actual corn is growing from, I think, like in there. So it's looking good. Really happy. Everything's doing well. The corn up there is like taller than I am. It's just awesome. And yeah, I gotta plant the grape that I got from my brother. We're gonna be planting that over there next to that post. Yeah, just lots of stuff to still do. And I'm super excited by everything. It's just really, really cool. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I can't stress it enough. You know, I recommend everybody just get out there. If you've got any bit of land, you know, just try to plant something. Get a fruit tree growing. Get a, you know, a couple of like bushes. You know, just maybe some raspberries, or you know, I don't know, just anything, currants or what have you, and get out there and just plant something. The rewards are incredible. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks to everybody. Got a bunch of new people signed up, really appreciate that, and yeah, looking forward to doing more stuff for you guys in the future. See you next time. Bye.